Hello everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment student. Today we will discuss the keywords of the chapter 1 and with the help of the keywords you can easily do any question student and you can easily attempt any question. So you will try to clear all the keywords of this chapter. So first keyword that is given in your book, it is agriculture practice. Now what is agricultural practice student? Agricultural practice means the activities that are done by the farmers to grow crop in his or field student. All those activities are known as agricultural practice and it involves the different activities like the preparation of soil, sowing, adding fertilizer and manure, irrigation, harvesting, weeding and storage. All these activities are known as agricultural practice, and these all agricultural practice are done by the farmer to grow more and more crops. Now we come on the next keyword, it is crop student. Now what is crop and there are how many type of crop? So what is crop student? The same kind of plants in a particular area is known as crop. Means when the farmers grow the same kind of plants in a particular field, then all those plants are known as crop. And there are mainly three types of crop: Rabi crops, Kharif crops and Zaid crop. Now we come on the next keyword, it is fertilizer. Now what are the fertilizers student? Fertilizers are the inorganic substance that are prepared in the industries and that are used by the farmer to give the nutrients in their fields. So what are the fertilizers? Fertilizers are inorganic substance that are prepared in the industries. And which main nutrient they provide student? They provide the three main nutrients and we can say them NPK. N for nitrogen student, P for phosphorus and K for potassium. These are the main nutrients that are provided with the help of fertilizers. Now we come on the manure. Manure are the organic substances that are prepared by the farmer in their fields. And how are they prepared student? They are prepared with the help of biodegradable waste. Means it may be prepared with the help of plant waste or it may be prepared with the help of animal waste like cow dung. Next is granaries. Now what are the granaries student? Granaries are the big size room and they are used to storage the grains. Means first the grains are collected in the sack and after collecting in the sack they are stored in the big size rooms and those big size rooms are known as granaries student. Next is harvesting. It is the agricultural activity student from which farmers cut their crops. Means the cutting of the crop is known as harvesting. After that there is another keyword, it is irrigation. The distribution of water with the help of water channel student. The distribution of water with the help of water channels in the regular duration of time is known as irrigation. And there are two modes of irrigation, ancient mode or modern mode. Modern mode irrigation types are sprinkler system and drip system, student. And with the help of this, we can provide water to the crop in a regular interval of time, and the water can be also conserved with the help of modern mode of irrigation. Now we come on the next, Kharif crops. As we have discussed about the crop, student, there are two types, mainly two types of crop, Kharif crops and Rabi crops. And these are the most important questions, student, and they are generally asked in the competitive exam. Like, what is Kharif crop and in which season it is grown? So what is Kharif crop, students? Kharif crop is the crop that is grown in the rainy season. The crop that is grown in rainy season in between June to September, that crop is known as Kharif crop. And Kharif crop example are paddy and maize, means rice or maize are the examples of Kharif crop because they are grown in the rainy season. Because generally rice crop need more and more water, and that more and more water can be provided with the help of which main source of irrigation, student? It is rain. That's why the Kharif crops are known as rainy season crop. Now we come on the next type, it is Rabi crops. Rabi crops are the crops that are grown in the winter season, and they are grown in between October to March. And in nowadays the harvesting of the Rabi crop is going on, student. And the examples of the Rabi crops are wheat and gram pea. Wheat, gram and pea are the example of the Rabi crop. And Rabi crops are also known as winter season crop, student. Winter season crop. And there is another crop that is known as Jayad crop, and it is not given in your book. And what are the Jayad crops, student? Jayad crops are the crops that are grown in the summer season, and the melon, watermelon, gourd, they come in the summer season crop. Means generally the vegetables or some fruits are grown in this season, summer season crop. Now we come on the flow, student. Flow. Now what is flow? Flow is the agricultural tool, student, from which the farmers do the tilling. Means they do the loosening or tilling of the soil with the help of this tool. And this tool contains the two important constituents. First is one wooden stick, and that wooden stick have one triangular strip of iron, and it is also known as hull, student. Hull. And it is used with the domestic animals like ox. Now we come on the next, it is animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is the branch of agriculture, student, in which the farmers rear the animals and they take care the animals for their economical purpose, because with the help of the animals they get milk, meat and wool. And this branch of agriculture is known as animal husbandry. So these are the keywords, student. You will try to learn them, and you will also write them in your notebook and try to do all the question answers that are given in your workbook. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.